Here's a 2018 Ford F-150. Smart enough and tough enough to stand the test of time, the F-150 is a leader at the job site. It comes with all the amenities you need. V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, engine auto stop start feature, active grille shutters, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, leather seats, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Call, click, or stop into Napleton'S Volkswagen of Orlando today. We're conveniently located at 12700 East Colonial Drive in sunny Orlando. We look forward to serving you.